Today we're working on this 2006 Forester. We're going to be changing the oil valve. There's the part number if you need it. Actually, I'll go ahead and put it in the description because you can't really read that. But first thing we want to do, we're going to be doing the passenger side, which is this side. We're going to take a flathead, loosen these two up, and we're just going to pull it off. And yes, I already loosened these. Go ahead and take this guy out of the way. With that out of the way, we've already got to the oil valve, at least here on the passenger side. That's it right there. Went ahead and got a tripod for you to make this easier. But push this tab here in, and we can pull the connector off. And here is the little oil valve. With that off, we should be able to sneak a socket in. This is a 24mm socket. You can see that there. And we shouldn't have to put a lot of force to get that off, and I didn't. So we're going to go ahead, take it completely out. And there it is. With the threads clean and with Teflon, we'll go ahead and install it. With the threads started by hand, to confirm that it's not offset, we'll go ahead and tighten it. Do not tighten this very tight. I believe it's 10 pound-feet, 8, 10, 12 pound-feet. With that on, we'll now put the connector back on, and we are done. We'll go ahead and reinstall the air duct, and you're set. Hope this video helps somebody. Thanks for watching.